What's going on, guys? Just doing a quick review on what we had going on today. Hepa pre-market had some pretty decent news. Me and the team were watching this. It was a little difficult for me to figure out where there was some structure on Hepa. This thing, obviously, you can see right through here, gapped up and just kind of moved around a little bit. So we're trying to pinpoint an area on where to get long this stock. And in chat today, this was kind of the level that I found of interest. A little bit of price action moving through here. There was some price capitulation through this area, and it was also some firm support yesterday. So I thought to myself, if there was ever an area where price action was going to break out, that was going to be it. In retrospect, there was a relatively decent little area right through here, but the difference in price, was nominal. About 30 cents of movement. So with that said, I was putting this out in chat today, and I was alerting the team to 466, and I did look at 581 as a potential target. You can see that price action came pretty close to it, and then we got this bearish rejection candle, and price action rolled over, momentum took it lower. But it was a pretty simple, straightforward trade, and like I said, we were monitoring this all morning. 466 was the level we were looking to break out of, and a good chunk of the people in the J. Lewis trading community took a shot at this, and it was another good day. We've had a solid run of some really great trades over the last little while. Now HEPA, I don't know that it did particularly well on the balance of the day, but you know what? There's what we trade, which we refer to as the golden window. That's 9:30 when the bell rings to about 11:30. It's about 2 hours of focused time, whether you're trading the low floats or the options, where we just hammer out that early morning volatility and volume. So that's HEPA. Just wanted to put that out there for you guys. I hope that some of this has helped. If you have any questions, Julian at jlewistrading.com. There's also a link below, guys, if you want to check out the new website. Have a look. Get lost on that website. If you have any questions, email me, jlewistrading, or Julian at jlewistrading.com.